Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm just going to talk about how you can boost your FPS in Valorant. So we're going to use a tool called Processor Lasso. So as you guys know, like Valorant is a CPU intensive game. So even if you have a good graphics card, it does not have a good impact on the improvement of the FPS. And the more the FPS that you have, the lesser will be the input lag in your gameplay and more you will hit your headshots. So first of all, you need to download the software Processor Lasso. You can just Google it and download it. It should be a trial version, but I have a pro version. And it doesn't matter if you have a pro or a trial version. Most of the things are going to be the same. So you have to go to this active processes tab and make sure your Valorant is opened. And as soon as your Valorant is open, you can see this process, Valorant Win64 shipping.exe here on the active processes here. So you have a right click over here. Make sure you do some of the few things which I have already done and which have impacted the FPS. And I get a very good FPS after tweaking these settings. So you have to go to CPU priority first. You have to go to always and just click it to high. Current will change it to automatically after that. CPU affinity always. You have to make sure you will test it by yourself. CPU 0, you can uncheck it once and test if it works for you. And do you see any change in the FPS? For me, I keep it on, so you can follow my settings. It should be on by default. You can also check this setting by disabling the SMT. So for me, it does not have a too much impact on my gameplay on my Valorant FPS, so I just keep it to enable. Input output priority, you have to go to high again, always high. Rest of the things you don't have to touch. Induce performance mode, if you're using a pro version, maybe you will get this one, so you have to tick mark on this one as well. Other than that, you can go to more, hard throttle, always no throttle, and current will change automatically after that. Rest of the things you don't have to touch anything else. And go to range, try to see if it works for you. Do you see any improvement in your FPS? If yes, you're good to go. If not, maybe it doesn't work for you. All right, so okay, thanks for watching guys. If you like this video and if you see some improvements on your FPS or gameplay, just make sure you comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you then.